Host feature lets room admin connect any device which is always on and needs to be accessible by room members. By connecting the host to the room, you can avoid security compromising settings, like port forwarding, so you can hide the host from the public internet, while providing full access to host services to the members of the room. If you are an admin, go to Host tab to add a new host. If your host is running Windows, Mac, Ubuntu or CentOS, use Host Agent for easy adoption. After copying the code, let's switch to host machine to complete the onboarding. On the host machine, install CloudLAN client and paste the adoption code. You can enable Auto Connect to boot up and connect to the room when the host restarts. Once adopted, add services to help members discover and quickly access them from Host tab. We have successfully adopted a host, and users will be able to access it securely by connecting to the room. For host running Ubuntu or CentOS, install the host agent by running the installation command on SSH terminal. Once installed, input the adoption code to get the host connected to the CloudLAN room.